Emveni kokuba uphakela umthakathi esememezela ukuthi umhla ka-30 June i-deadline lapho khona la eSouth Africa ngokungekho semthethweni kuyofuneka ukuthi impela balishiye leli bebe sebelishiyile leli lase-South Africa okanye ngalolo suku balishiye. Angazi-ke iy'nhlelo zabo zimi kanjani okanye bahlela ukuthi kuzomashwa, kuzobe kumashwa kuphi abakachazi. Nokuthi kuzokwenzeka kanjani ukuthi laba abafike la ngokungekho semthethweni abangenamaphepha kuzokwenza kanjani ngalo mhla ka-30. Anginayo into ecacile ngoba yikho nabo into abake bayibeka ecacile ukuthi kuzohamba kanje ngalolu suku. So emveni kwale ngcindezi yaba khona kuhulumeni wethu nanamamashi lawa enzeka nsuku zonke. Amazwe lawa anabantu baba bala eSouth Africa athatha isinqumo sokuthi ethi labo abafisayo should bavolunteer abantu ukubuyela ekhaya abeze babuyisele ekhaya. Sibonile abaseGhana balithathile lelo xathu lelo. Manje abaseMalawi nabo kusuka ngeviki eliphelile bebehlangene lapha ngobuningi bawo. Kodwa manje umuntu abathi befika nje bebengilayishwa emabhasini behanje kuya-check-wa kuqala ukuthi ubukhona babo bayisima kanjani. Ngabe lo muntu ube la ngokusemthethweni, ngabe lo muntu ube la ngokungekho semthethweni. Izinto lezi ezibhekwayo. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uDeputy Minister ka-Home Affairs usitshelile ukuthi kuno-1000 abantu baseMalawi abalapha eThekwini abekho documented okusho ukuthi bangama-illegal immigrants la eSouth Africa.
We did offer that they integrate back to communities, and we made it very clear that there can never be, personalized SAPS presence for them. SAPS is responsible for all citizens, and we made it clear that those who do not want to integrate will then move them to Lindela. I can confirm that none have actually opted for the option of going to Lindela. We understand that whilst they are still there, we'll now be working with the city to enforce the bylaws, and anyone who is caught in that environment to be violating any bylaws will then have to face the music. In the Sherwood situation with the Malawi nationals, we have processed and verified about 1,140. Obviously, the numbers will keep on increasing as we continue the verification. Of those that have been verified, they are all illegal, and the embassy has as such issued a collective passport for them to be able to move with the buses. So the buses will then be moving with them. Obviously, there will be a security arrangement to guard the buses as they move towards Beit Bridge in a rotation system. So they will be meeting them along the way. So they will be moving out now.
1,140 yalaba balapha eSherwood baseMalawi abafikile khona ngoba kunohlelo uhulumeni waseMalawi ukuthi ababeza abantu balayishwe ngamabhasi babuyele ekhaya. 1,140 abanawo amadokhumenti okusho ukuthi abangenanga ngesanga eSouth Africa. 1,140 futhi okuvezayo la Deputy Minister ukuthi labantu abafuni ukuyelindela. Kusho ukuthi njengoba kuvela lolu hlelo lwamabhasi noma ke lu-slow makuvela lolu hlelo lamabhasi bayijabulele le yokuvela uhlelo lamabhasi ngoba bazothathwa la processwe lapha yana mabethathwa bavele baye straight ekhaya kunokuthi bawojikela indela. Bebehleli ke lapha ya ngisho uPremier ngosuku lwayizolo la ngomhla ka-16 kuJune uthatha isikhathi wahamba yobabheka labantu. Wayobheka nje isimo njengomuntu obheka indawo leya. Wayobheka isimo ukuthi kwenzakalani khona. Uthe mayisekhuluma nabezindaba wakhuluma kanje.
Well, the situation is unfortunate. The number of the Malawian who are there is extremely unfortunate. It's a big number. Those who are having records, they suggested almost 10,000 people from Malawi who are there. But fortunately enough, there is the High Commissioner of Malawi on site. There's Home Affairs, who's now trying to process them through the deportation route. Since the repatriation is taking too long, the transport which was brought by the government of Malawi was only 10 buses, and unfortunately one was not in good condition. Only 600 plus were able to be transported, starting with those women and children. But even now, we have a lot of women and children who are on the ground. What is more unfortunate is that even if it can rain, they will not have a shelter. It's winter, it's cold. Well, there are NPOs that are assisting with food and some services from eThekwini Metro. And the process of Home Affairs has been joined by the magistrate, Magistrate Ngubane of Durban, trying to process them through a virtual court process in order then to enable them to be transported to Lindela for deportation. And the trucks from Home Affairs were waiting to receive those who have been processed so that they are actually moved. It's a very unfortunate a crisis that you see when you arrive in that area, because they sleep on the ground, women, children, and men. There is no gender separation. Even the services that are there in terms of sanitation, they are still an issue. Hence, one is calling for the private sector and also the NPOs or NGOs who can provide some support to do so. And I'm also requesting that the people of the province who are discouraging the support which is given to those migrants, really they cease to do that, because at the end of the day, they are human beings. We need to treat them with dignity while we enforce the migration laws.
So njengobuza ubaba uNtuli echaza isimo afike asibona lapho ukuthi labantu bahlele endaweni engaphephile, balala khona lapho phandle, and njengoba iprocess ihamba kancane baze bahlela nohlelo lokuthi kungcono ke manje labantu bathathwe basiwe Lindela ukuze bathole ama-shelter. Waxwayisa futhi nabantu base-South Africa laba abagxekayo isenzo sabo njengohulumeni ukuthi akube khona iy'nsiza ey'thunyelwa kulabantu ukuze bathole ukudla njengoba belaphaya bathola amanzi bazizwe bengabantu. Uyakhuza impela uthi ekugcineni kosuku they are human beings. And kubalulekile lokho akusho ubaba uNtuli, because we are humans before we are South Africans. So singabantu ngaphambi kokuthiwa ubelonga kuphi ubelonge kuphi, singabantu. And lento yokubelonga into ofundiswe yona notshelwe yona. Uma laba bakutshela bengashintsha manje kungaba ngokunye, kodwa nje iqiniso lesho ubaba uNtuli ukuthi labantu laba abasupportwe ngoba vele bayavolontiya ukuhamba, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi uhulumeni wabo ukhipha amabhasi awu-10 eli-1 wathothi linenkinga, nane-process ke khona ukuthi angeke phela abantu bavele bahambe, funa kuverify kubonakala bebelanga ngokusemthethweni bebengekho kusemthethweni. Angazi umunye ezinye izinto ebuye zenziwe iziphi, kodwa zonke lezo zinto afuneka zenzeke zonke bese kuyina bezokwazi labantu ukuthi bangene emabhasini baphikelele eMalawi. Emveni kokuba ke bethathe lesinqumo bona sokuthi abantu abahambe baye eLindela, abazange bakujabuleleke abantu baseMalawi lokho kubaholela ekuthenini batoyizeke bona baseMalawi. Basho batoyitoye ngempela. Cela ubone la.
Hayi bafowethu, konakele manje. Konakele bafowethu, batoyiza baseMalawi. Batoyiza manje. Konakele sengigishime ngafika esigodlweni esikhulu. Konakele kakhulu bafowethu. Konakele. Kwenzakalani mnganami? Mnganami kwenzakalani? Bathini? Bathini mnganami?
We're going home now on time, man.
Ubani eqhamukile la? Ubani eqhamukile ngiphazamisa?
Bayafika lana thina sihlele lana ngiyekile emsebenzini manje nifika lana sosisukumeza indaba senzeni kuni akhona abantu bafika eshayela lana babemeza kakhulu uyabona.
We want to go in our country. We came here. Now why are you taking us? We put in the van again. We must go Nigeria. For what? For what? Don't us in the Nigeria. We want to go straight at home. We're tired. You're killing us. Some like not. We are human beings. What you're doing is wrong.
Zimbili inkinga abanazo labantu. Bafike baqoqana lapha bahlala ngoba benenhloso yokuhamba. Kwakhona abantu bala eSouth Africa abahambayo beyobahlukumeza la. Iphuzu lokuqala. Elesibili abafuni ukuyelindela. Njengomuzwa laba bokuqala bekhulumile ukuthi sizihlale siyevumile sifuna ukuhamba. Kusuka abantu base South Africa. Kusuka bona abantu base South Africa. Beza la bazosihlukumeza. Nangu lo mama lo sethi asifuni thina ukuyelindela thina sifuna ukusuka la sezweni lethu. Akwenziwe inhlelo ngoba bengafuni ukuyelinda. Emveni kokuba kwenze yonke lento iyaphuma esandleni yonke lento la. Emveni kuba sekukhulunyiwe kanje iyaphuma esandleni le toyitoyi kwagcina nabo sebehlasela amaphoyisa namaphoyisa aphindisela nawo ngoba agcine sebadubula ngeraba bullet. Akusiyona ke into enhle leyo kodwa ngicela ubone la. Cela ukuzukuphawula kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lolu daba esilixoxayo. Lelo segcina lenzeka lapho ukuthi labantu ebebesuke bona bevolunteer befuna ukubuyela ekhaya. Ngenxa yokunganeli kahle kwamabhasi nane process yabo ukuhamba kancane kweprocess okuhelele ekuthenini manje bangafuni ukuyelindela nanokuziphatha kwabantu base South Africa okuthe abantu sebe volunteer bona ukuthi bafuna ukuhamba bahamba bachukuluza. Kuthini wena okwakho ukuphawula ngalolu daba esilixoxayo? Into ebhlungu ke ngalento ithatha impilo zabantu le igcine yenze kube nama commission angenasidingo ngoba njengoba kuqhuma lama rubber bullet abantu mabebaleka kwenzeka into eziningi kabi. Engathi uyabaleka omunye agibele phe komunye konakale nje konakala. Ngifisa ukuzwa ukuphawula ukuthi kuthini ngoba uPremier kwaZulu Natal ukubeke ngokucacile ukuthi isimo labantu abakuso asikho right. Ushilo nje wathi impela labantu isimo abakuso asikho right. Kunezingane lapha kunabesifazana nakhona namadoda nawo futhi ukuba ngaphandle uma ngase kunizulu kungaba ngonakala kakhulu bangagcina begula. Ingakho ethi nabantu bala eSouth Africa abasolayo ngokuthi uhulumeni wakwaZulu uthatha igxathu lokuthi alekelele labantu ayabayiyeke lento abayenzayo ngoba ekugcineni kosuku bangabantu as much as nathi singabantu. Ngishilo ke nami ekuqaleni ngathi we are human beings before we are South Africans. So akufanelanga sikukhohle lokho. Wonke umuntu ophilayo uyadeserve ukuthi athole ukudla. Ingakho nababoshiwe abonile emphakathini, abanye abawuhlukumezile umphakathi, kodwa abayondliwa nsuku zonke. Abonile impela emphakathini. Abanye bakhanda iy'ntandane kodwa abayondliwa ngoba kuyilungelo la wonke umuntu ophilayo.